Hello students, now continuation of the previous video. In previous video, I have done up to 11. Now sum number 12. The length of the radius of cross section of a solid right circular rod is 3.2 decimeter. That means here radius given of cylinder radius given. By melting the rod, 21 solid spheres are made. If the radius of the sphere is 8 centimeter, then calculate the length of the rod. Like previous one here, that length or height of the rod is unknown. Again, you will equate the volume and then you will get the height or length of the rod. Number 12. What is given? Length of radius of solid right circular rod. Radius of rod 3.2 decimeter. And volume will be, it is cylindrical shape, so pi r square h. Here h is unknown. Here this is volume of rod, and in case of volume of sphere, 21 spheres made. Clear? So radius of sphere given in centimeter. Be careful. See, radius of sphere, it is given centimeter. Now you know meter, deci, centi. So from centi to deci, when you will convert, you will divide by 10. So it will be point. Okay, or one thing you can do, it will be easier for you, I think so, that decimeter you can convert to meter, or here also we can do, no problem, any way you can do. 0.8 decimeter. This is radius of sphere. Therefore, volume of 21 spheres equals to 21 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? Then into 4 by 3 into pi into r. R what is 0.8? No, we have done this 0.8 cube. According to the problem, by melting the rod, again 21 spheres are made, so their volumes are equal. So according to the problem, pi r square h, or I am writing the values. Pi, what is the radius of radius given? Okay, in decimeter, 3.2 whole square into h is unknown, and here 21 into 4 by 3 into pi into 0.8 whole cube. So you are noticing maybe that in all the sums we are equating volume only. So here pi cancel, or 8 equals to 21 into 4 into 0.8 divided by 3 into 3.2 into 3.2. We cancel. After cancellation, h is coming 14. Or 1 point, answer is given in centimeter. So maybe H will, I have done in decimeter, H will come in decimeter, 1.4 decimeter. So you will convert it to centimeter, meter, deci, centi. You will multiply by 10, then your answer will be or 14 centimeter. Either 1.4 decimeter you can write or you can convert it to centimeter. Clear? Now next one. Number 13. Half of a tank of 21 decimeter length, 11 decimeter breadth and 6 decimeter depth is full of water. So tank, you know what is the shape of tank? It is rectangular parallelepiped. Its length, breadth and height given. Now if 100 iron spheres of 21 centimeter diameter, now you have to be careful that here different unit given. Clear? 21 centimeter diameter is immersed completely into the water of this tank. Then calculate the rise of water level in decimeter. One thing, this sum several times already it has come in Madhyamik. Okay, it is important, but it is very easy sum. Only one understanding difficulties is there. What is that? Here length, breadth and height. I am drawing the tank roughly. Number 13. See. Suppose this is the tank. Okay. Now its length, breadth and height given. Here this language, it is, see this language. Half of a tank is full of water. It is not literally means that the tank is half full of water. Suppose this is the half of tank. It doesn't mean that it is half filled up with water. Only what is there telling that it is not completely filled up with water. Half filled up with water means it is not mean that it is literally half filled up water. Okay, it is half filled up water means it is completely not filled up to the brim. Clear? This is the meaning. So if we consider that they are telling that half, it is half filled of water, you will take the half of the volume of rectangular tank, then it will be wrong. Clear? Now in this tank 100 iron spheres are immersed. Clear? Then suppose the water level of, initially the water level was up to this. Clear? Now by immersion of spheres, 100 spheres, then what is happening? Automatically level of water or water level will increase. Let the increase of water level be, this is the H decimeter. Increase of water level be H decimeter. You have to calculate that part only. How much, what is the height of the increase in water level. Clear? So here we will use length and breadth of the tank. We will not use the depth of the tank. Clear? It is the this is the main point where most of the students make mistake. Clear? They think that length, breadth, height given. So it is half filled up with water means we'll divide by 2. The total volume will divide by 2. Then we'll get the answer. Then it will be wrong. Clear? Half filled means it is not filled up to the brim. Clear? Now it, suppose initially it was filled up to this level and 100 spheres are immersed in it, then automatically there will be a rise in water level. Let this be H decimeter. Clear? So length of tank 21 decimeter. 21 decimeter. Breadth of tank 11 decimeter. Here depth will not use. Let the rise in water level be 8 decimeter. Therefore, volume of water in tank is length. First I am writing the formula, length into breadth into height. That means 21 into 11 into 8 decimeter cube. Clear? This is clear, I think. Now main point. What we will do? We have to convert the diameter, unit of diameter of sphere, here decimeter, and that is given in centimeter. We will convert it. Diameter of sphere (21 centimeter). Now we will convert it to deci. So it will be 2.1 decimeter. This is diameter. Therefore radius will be 2.1 by 2 decimeter. Clear? Then automatically what will be the equation? Volume of water equals to that 100 spheres are immersed. So 100 volume of 100 spheres, 100 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here, therefore, I have done the calculation. I am writing it. First I am writing the formula. 21 into 11 into 8 equals to 4 by 3 volume of pi r cube into, there were 100 spheres. So this is the volume of one sphere. There are 100 spheres. 100 into 4 by 3 pi 2.1 by 2 whole cube. And after calculation, it is 8 equals to pi will not be cancelled out. We have to put the value of pi here. 8 equals to 100 into 4 into pi means 22 by 7, and there is 3, and 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1, denominator 2 into 2 into 2 from here, and from there what we are getting? 21 into 11. Clear? Now we will calculate. After calculation, it is coming 2.1 decimeter. So your answer will be rise of water level is 2.1 decimeter. So here in your book you can give against 13 a star mark. Okay, it is important for board exam also. So I think this is clear that what is the meaning of half of a tank is full of water. Clear? Now next sums 14, 15, 16 you will get in next video.